Welcome. If you want to record sounds in your Samsung Galaxy Note 20, for the first you have to get the recorder. If you don't, install it with the first setup. So as you can see, I don't have here the recorder of the Samsung. So I have to go for the Play Store, tap on the search bar and type here recorder. And you can get one of this application, but I'm going for the Samsung. Select, click install, and now just wait. Let's open, grant the permission, and if you want to start, just click here. And right now the smartphone starts recording sounds. If you want to finish, click on this button. Here we can rename the record setup the category. So let's go for the interview. Click save and we can check the sound. So that's how it is. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments, and subscribe to our channel.